It's always rough when you got Chucky out front. And yesterday was Friday the 13th, and we have 13 days until the National Short Track Championship weekend.
As the lights in the car corner pace car out, we are going racing this time around, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be an 8-lap last chance race. Pick your favorite driver. Who's it going to be? Nate Swain in the 82X definitely needs to make this race. As pace car lights duck on out, here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's going to start out with Jake Kincaid out front in that 3 machine, but he's having some trouble with that 97 cruising on the outside of Blake Andrus. They'll go 3 wide along the backstretch. Keep an eye on that 82X, second in the points, as my partner mentioned.
Yeah, he definitely had a rough heat race there as he had to exit the track. Looks like he's got it figured out thus far. As he is sitting 5th place, he has to make the top 4 in order to make the show, as we've got a great battle there. As Jeff Watson Jr. is now racing side by side with David Nowlin.
And they got that 82 boxed in. He's trying to find ways through, up, around, maybe even in between, and he did. The Swain sliding in up to the wall.
Into the wall goes Swain with Watson. Swain coming around, getting that momentum. He's going to work on Nowlin. Jeff Watson not out of this race whatsoever. Here comes Noah Andrus to challenge Jeff Watson Jr. for that 4th place. That is the transfer spot, ladies and gentlemen, to watch.
But it's still that 97 of Blake Andrus who's out front, making it look easy, 3 in.
Yeah, Eric, I know this will be fun at the end of the night here as Doug Neiswanger is ahead of Mike Shipman right now, and he definitely likes to talk about that. I can tell you that. Doug Neiswanger in the 197, Mike Shipman in the 725. But right now, we have a new leader in the 97 car. Is that right? No, look out! It's Noah Andrus getting spun out by Jeff Watson Jr. and smoke. And he
goodness.
Ouch. That wasn't good.
That was a 25S on that last blast on the far end over there.
So 97, I don't know if 97 they're going to count that as him having that lead lap or not.
I would think so. Blake's been in the lead tonight.
Okay.
For a while.
No Darrell Williams tonight.
No Darrell, he's off tonight.
All right, sign from the flag man is 1 to go for our original Sixers. Halfway down, halfway to go. It's going to be a 4-lap dash. The top 4 make it. The rest are going home. Pick your driver. Who's going to win? Maybe Mike Shipman will come from the back and get the win. You never know.
A lot of aggressive drivers in this series. A lot of fun drivers in this original Sixers, the world-class motors.
And they're now in the raw steel collision restart zone. Here they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And it's going to be that 97. Blake Andrus out front. He's going to stay out front. Question is, can the 82X of Nate Swain, who's now in second, catch him?
Here comes the inside. 23 of Brian Nowlin on the inside, trying to grab that transfer spot with this door hanging off to the side as well.
Yeah, it's like a little bit of an air brake in that 23 machine.
Eric, maybe it helps him in the turns. Maybe you can use it for aerodynamics. I don't know.
Well, you're on the last chance race. You got to chance everything, right? Even in the turns. Here comes that 82 of Nate Swain, the challenge for the lead on the 97 of Blake Andrus.
Coming around, we've got 2 to go in this last chance race.
Nate Swain along the backstretch is going to end up taking that lead over Blake Andrus. 1 to go. Swain is in. Top 4 advance. Swain in that 82 starting to pull away from the 97 of Blake Andrus. But the battle is in that 3rd and 4th spot. Looks like the 87 is that Greg Witt.
Here they come. We got a wreck with Greg Witt and the Brian Allen car was going to get I think it was Jeff Watson Jr. Eric, do you have any idea who got 4th?
I don't. They're showing 82 of Nate Swain is your winner. Blake Andrus on the 97 second. Greg Witt at 87 third.
But Brian Allen's raising his hands. He thinks he's got 4th.
He came across sideways. I don't know where it starts and where it ends with that, but can the car continue to run?
Eric, I don't think we could get more specific than saying it was all on the line.
It was definitely on the line. That's one of those Misfit production replay events. Go check that one out.
So we are waiting for the official word, ladies and gentlemen. We will find out who's got fourth. They did change it on the scoreboard. Let me get a thumbs up from the tower when I know for sure if that's who's got fourth. I don't know yet. How many of you think the 57 got fourth? Make some noise.
A little bit of love.
How many of you think Brian Allen got fourth and the 23? Make some noise. How many of you are happy that the 82X car, Nate Swain, just won?
That's his first heat win, by the way, in the 82 of Nate Swain. He's out of McChesney Park. Worst finish this year has been 11th in a feature. So race fans, let's give it up for the 82 of Nate Swain.